Customers typically add a volume group in Nutanix storage to address specific performance, availability, and architectural requirements. First, we will go through the procedure and then we will share some benefits and use cases. In Prism element, choose storage from the main menu. In the table view, click on Add Volume Group. Give the volume group a name and description, then click on Add New Disk. Now select a storage container and decide on an appropriate size. Repeat this step to add additional disks and click Save. Now in the main menu of Prism element, select VM. Now in table view, right-click on a VM and choose Launch Console. Now pull up iSCSI Initiator Properties and click on the Configuration tab. Here, enter a name for your new initiator and click OK. Now back to storage from the drop-down menu. In Table View, select the Volume Group tab and click on Update. Now click Add New Client and enter the client IQN or IP address. Click Add and then Save. Now back to the iSCSI Initiator Properties. Here enter the IP address of the target portal under the Discovery tab. Then click on Targets and connect each target, then click OK. Now in Disk Management, allow access to the new disks. Right-click on the added disk and choose New Simple Volume Wizard to manage the size, path and format partition to finalize. Repeat this step for each new volume and then check your new disks here. Here are some benefits and use cases. External storage presentation, shared storage for clustered applications, high-performance workloads, disaster recovery and metro availability, and also data and boot disk separation. Leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.